Hi guys, so today I'm eating some yogurt. Okay, so before I eat this, it's 4-pack, but I already ate the other. It's strawberry. See, 4-pack. As you guys can see, so pretty good. Fine, guys. Don't mind if I do this. I do that in every video, I think. Sorry, guys. Pretty good. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. There was just some dirt on my phone. On my phone? No, I don't have a phone yet. A really old iPad. I don't have a phone. Yeah. I bring it outside, and there's a little bit of dirt and a little bit of snow on it. Look it. It's the strawberry. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. So that was really disgusting. And in the background, just my sibling just watching my oldest iPad. And if you guys didn't not see my Roblox channel, make sure you go check that out. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Okay? I'm gonna make you guys a little bit closer. I'm serious. But you guys can't see my eyeballs, my eyeballs. I'm already almost done. And guys, if you did not see the NE Live Eat, you have to subscribe their channel. Like, go and subscribe their channel. The mine's. Like, guys, I talked about this like a long time ago. And I still don't have that much likes or subscribers. remember that video and subscribe. I'm sorry if I don't make any good videos. I don't care. First of all, I don't care. Second of all, you have to subscribe. Third of all, I'm sorry that I don't make good videos. I'm not forcing you guys to, but I want to have a lot of subscribers. And if I get probably like I don't know, 10,000 subscribers, I will make an actual good video for you guys. Okay? I'm just gonna finish. That's where the video is gonna end. I finished it. So you guys is here. Finished it. And I'll see you not in a minute, but when I make another video. Bye.